principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. As you know that today we have gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. So on this special day, we have kept a short program. I would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Sister Catherine, and respected Father Titus, the manager of our school, hoisting the flag.
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जन जन मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलहि तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Before we do any work, it is always right to remember God, the Almighty, who is the creator of this world. So let us begin this program.
మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. యెహోవ నా మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. అహర్ని సలదీనహీనుడవు నాను హాయనెడు ధ్వని గ్రహించి మనిపెను. యెహోవ నా మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. అనీతి వస్త్రమెడలించెను యేసునాథు రక్తమున ముంచెను. అనీతి వస్త్రమెడలించెను యేసునాథు రక్తమున ముంచెను. వినూత్న యత్నమిదను నీ ఎన్నడు గనన్ వినన్ ప్రేమ నాకు చూపెను. యెహోవ నా మురళాలించెను తన మహాదయను నను గణించెను. చెరినిచ్చెను శ్రమ కలాపములకు సెలవిచ్చెను విలాపములకు చెరినిచ్చెను శ్రమ కలాపములకు సెలవిచ్చెను శిలానగముపైకి లాగినను సుఖ కళావళుల్ మనసులోన నిలిచెను యెహోవనామమునగాయించెను తన మహాదయను కనుగరించెను యెహోవనామమునగాయించెను తన మహాదయను
Thank you friends for a beautiful dance. Now there is a speech by Adrika from class 1. Let us welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Good morning to all respected fathers, sisters, teachers, parents and my dear friends. I wish a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. This year we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. It is our national festival. On this day, we remember our great freedom fighters and pay homage to them. We express love and respect to our nation. I love my country and I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Now we will proceed to next program, which is patriotic song. I welcome Mukesh sir on the stage.
Thank you. चढ़े ना दूजा, ए वो चोला है के जिस पे रंग चढ़े ना दूजा। हमने तो बचपन से की थी इस चोले की पूजा, कल तक जो चिंगारी थी वो आज बनी है चोला। मेरा रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। सपने में देखा था जिसको आज वही दिन आया है, सपने में देखा था जिसको आज वही दिन आया है। सूली के उस पार खड़ी है माँ ने हमें बुलाया है, आज मौत के पलड़े में जीवन को हमने तोला। मेरा रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। सपने में देखा था जिसको आज वही दिन आया है, सपने में देखा था जिसको आज वही दिन आया है। सूली के उस पार खड़ी है माँ ने हमें बुलाया है, आज मौत के पलड़े में जीवन को हमने तोला। मेरा रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। दिन आज का बड़ा सुहाना, मौसम भी बड़ा सुनहरा, हम सर पे बांध के आए हैं बलिदानों का सहरा। बेताब हमारे दिल में एक मस्ती सी छाई है, ऐ दिल अलविदा तुझको कहने की घड़ी आई है। महकेंगे तेरी फिजा में हम बनके हवा का झोंका, किस्मत वालों को मिलता ऐसे मरने का मौका। निकली है बारात सजा है इंकलाब का डोला। मेरा रंग दे, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला। ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे, ओ माय रंग दे, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला।
Thank you.
थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you very much, sir, for the wonderful song. Now there is a speech by Kritika from class 6. Put your hands together to welcome her. Good morning to all of you. Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Sister Catherine, respected Father Titus, the manager of our school, Sister Liz Maria, our principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Happy Independence Day to you all. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. We celebrate this day with great pride in our hearts. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. We fondly remember our brave freedom fighters on this day. It is celebrated to commemorate the day of freedom fought by the fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more. Due to the sacrifices of these heroes, we are living happily in today's society. We are fortunate to born in an independent country. Our brave soldiers are fighting in the borders to protect our country and to preserve our freedom. The colors in the flag represent great values. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith and chivalry. In the center of our flag there is an Ashoka Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. It is our responsibility to, as proud citizens of this country, to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of the country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should work together and progress and make this country the best country in the world. I would like to say that we must be proud to be an Indian. So let us celebrate this day with great joy and happiness. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you, Kritika, for meaningful speech. Next we have a dance. Yes, it is time to welcome our dancers. Let us gear up for the beautiful start of the show. huge round of applause.
Now I request Father Tatus to speak a few words.
My dear children, my dear parents, my dear teachers, and my dear villagers, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day 75th anniversary. And it is rightly said, it is Amrit Mahotsav. So I wish you all a very happy Amrit Mahotsav of our Independence Day. We are happy in this country. We live freely, we speak freely, and we do everything freely, definitely with the responsibilities, because we have freedom. 1857 onwards, soldiers, people started the journey towards the freedom for our country. And that journey has taken many lives. Many have given or shed their blood to celebrate on 1947, that is 15th August, Independence Day. Not only till then, even after that, the soldiers and many people, well-known people, have been fighting to keep this independence that we have fought by the blood of our soldiers or our martyrs and many people. Thanking the Lord for this day, we are glad as we celebrate the 75th anniversary to have conquered the world, especially in the Tokyo Olympics. We have surpassed the medal tally, and above all, more than 100 years now that we got a golden medal that is given to us for this Independence Day, none other than Neeraj Chopra, for the javelin throw that he performed, and he brought name to our country. So on this day, I would like to tell you that our responsibility, our love towards our country, our obligations always need to bring happiness or fly our tricolor all the time. Bring name to our motherland, Bharat Mata. हम सभी उन टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में विजेताओं को बधाइयां देते हैं और आने वाले समय में हमारे बच्चों को भी उसी प्रकार से हमारे देश के नाम को ऊंचा करने के लिए, हमारे देश के स्वाभिमान को बढ़ाने के लिए, हमारे तिरंगे को फहराने के लिए अपने बच्चों को इन स्पोर्ट्स में, एथलेटिक्स में हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, ताकि हमारा देश अब आने वाले समय में और अधिक से अधिक प्रशस्तियां हमारे देश के लिए ला सके। तो हमारे ओर से फिर एक बार आप सभी को अमृत महोत्सव 75वां आजादी के दिन का महोत्सव का आपको सभी को शुभकामनाएं। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय। हम सभी मिलकर बोले वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Thank you, Father, for your inspiring words. Now we have come to the end of our program. I would like to thank our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Sister Catherine, respected Father Titus, the manager of our school, Sister Liz Maria, our principal, beloved teachers, parents, and my dear friends. We hope that you all enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much for giving us your valuable time. Thank you.